We might not have as many garage sales as other places, but ours are sure prettier.
Mountain Man. Treasures.
Sorry, the sea turtle's gone.
Oh, that's what happens when I
Yeah, that's right. You snooze, you lose.
I guess.
I gotta go call my mother-in-law. She's the best little lady. You gotta tell her to come over.
Oh gosh, yes. There's some nice ones
Yeah,
there.
she collects those. I don't know which one she
Oh,
has.
Whoops.
Just my luck.
I'm sorry.
No, you didn't do it.
Yeah, she knows. Yeah,
Are you
she
a
knows
Raiders
which one.
fan?
Yeah,
Oh, no, but I know somebody who is.
There you go.
That's an old one.
Yeah, it
I
is.
think they're cool too.
He used to live in California. So
Oh, okay.
I'm sure.
I wouldn't either. We got like 3 or 4 of them.
Yeah, yeah. Keep the ones you like.
I'll give you that one for 50 cents.
I'll take it.
Is that a Grizz shirt?
No, it's a goddamn Raider shirt.
Oh, yeah. That's for mopping the floor.
Wait, so you're going to give me 50 cents to take it? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funny.
The whole box is like 20 bucks.
I was a manager for a while. Got some really nice clothes and now
I'll show you the garage door.
Oh, yeah.
Might be thinking stuff. How much is this, Dave?
Do that. I bet that sells 4th of July.
Crazy world we live in. What's important? What isn't? Important to you. Don't want to think. It's like everything's going on right now. It's like first come, first served thing.
How you doing this morning? Good.
Lots of books. Somebody beat me over here. Got some good gun books, but I think I found all my treasure.
Oh, okay.
Now I got to figure out how much I owe you.
Okay.
I didn't see a price on that guy.
That'll be free.
Okay, and these were 75 cents. One's $1 and one's 75 cents.
How about both of them 75 cents? So $1.50.
$1.50, I'll take it. And then this was 50 cents. Is that right? HSA.
$2.
So we're up to $2.
$2 total.
And I didn't see anything on this guy.
$2. $3.
Okay. Some stamp stuff.
$4
Okay.
total.
And then we got 10 there.
10 there.
That's 14.
14.
And then the two shirts.
15, 16. That's it.
16 bucks. We might not have as many garage sales as other places, but ours are sure prettier. This house is gorgeous. This thing started at like 7:30 this morning, so we'll see. 3 hours in, full-timers have been through here and gone and taken a nap.
I drive all the way home, literally like 5 miles per hour.
stuff.
Hey, Destiny, did you even see the Minions?
Oh, it's hiding in here. Probably my craft stuff. Yeah. $16, not very own. Build-A-Bear. Build-A-Bear, Care Bear. I think let's go to the side and just work my way in to this place. Good stuff, but Vero, they'll hit you hard for that. Maybe on Mercari. That's a cool lenticular. Guys, look at this. This has got to be something, right? Disney Magic Cruise Line. It's signed by Captain Tom. I might pick this up. $5. It'd be a beast to ship, but did I pen you in?
You know what? I'm standing here looking.
I don't want to get you cornered.
Oh, don't worry. I can.
I'm not going to corner somebody wanting a garage sale. That's dangerous.
You're fine.
I'll come say hi. You just want to say hi to everybody, right? Yeah. Yeah, you just want to say hi. He's a good dog. Yeah, it's a good dog. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go find treasure. Where's the treasure? Can you tell me? Huh? Do you know? Nothing?
Thank you guys for watching, and if you would like to earn money in your spare time, be on the lookout for these items. As always, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, do all the things. Have a great day. That's all I got. I don't know what you got for me.